Nerve pain burning? Add these 5 foods today. Grab a small handful of walnuts right now if you have them. That's food number 1. 1 handful every single day. That snack-sized portion is the best plant-based source of omega-3s you can eat. Omega-3s fight the inflammation that is strangling your nerve fibers. Every day, 1 handful, that's it. Think of your nerve fibers like a garden hose with a kink in it. Inflammation is doing the kinking. Omega-3s loosen that kink. That's why food number 1 starts with what's already in your pantry. Food number 2, wild-caught salmon, 2 servings per week minimum. Salmon gives your damaged nerves 3 things at once. Omega-3s to fight inflammation, vitamin D to protect the myelin sheath, that's that protective coating around your nerves, and B12 to rebuild the nerve signal pathways. No myelin, no signal, it's that simple. If salmon is too expensive, sardines work just as well. A can costs less than $2. Same nutrients, 2 servings per week, write it down. Food number 3, turmeric. But here's the key, never take turmeric alone. Always pair it with black pepper. Without black pepper, your body absorbs less than 5% of the active compound, curcumin. 1 pinch of black pepper increases that absorption rate up to 2,000%. 2,000%. That's a lot. Half a teaspoon of turmeric in warm water, 1 pinch of black pepper every morning. That is the whole protocol. Curcumin has over 6,000 published studies behind it. This is not folk medicine, this is science. Food number 4, spinach or kale. Definitely prefer spinach myself. Either one works. 1 cup of cooked spinach gives you magnesium, folate, and vitamin K. All 3 hit nerve inflammation through different pathways. Magnesium is the most important one for neuropathy. It controls how the nerve cells fire. Low magnesium means nerves that fire randomly. That is the burning, the tingling, the electric shocks you feel for no reason. 1 cup of cooked spinach daily. Add it to eggs, add it to soup, add it to anything. Food number 5, blueberries or any dark berry, blackberries, cherries, dark grapes. The dark color is the signal. It means the berry is loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your nerve cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like building up rust on your nerve fibers. These berries are the rust remover. Half a cup daily. Add them to your oatmeal. Eat them frozen. The nutrient content is the same as fresh, and frozen costs half the price. Here's how these 5 foods work as a system. Walnuts and salmon attack inflammation from the outside. They supply the omega-3s your body uses to build anti-inflammatory compounds. Turmeric with black pepper blocks the inflammation signal at the cellular level. It turns down the fire alarm. Spinach restores the magnesium your nerve cells need to fire correctly. It fixes the wiring. Blueberries protect your nerves from the daily oxidative damage that slows down repair. Together, they hit 4 different mechanisms. That's why a single supplement rarely works on its own. You need the full system. Now, here's some common mistakes. Mistake number 1 is eating turmeric without black pepper. You're basically wasting it. Mistake number 2, getting omega-3s from vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is pro-inflammatory. It makes the problem worse. Stick to walnuts, salmon, or sardines. Or if you really have a struggle, use the supplements for DHA and EPA. That's in another video. Mistake number 3, eat these foods for 3 days and stopping. Nerve repair is slow. The research shows 8 to 12 weeks for measurable gain. Commit to the system. A simple daily plan you can start tomorrow. Here in the morning, turmeric, water with black pepper, handful of walnuts with breakfast. Lunch or dinner, 1 serving of salmon or sardines twice a week minimum. Any meal, 1 cup of cooked spinach. Snack or breakfast topping, half a cup of blueberries. No special diet, no meal prep overhaul. That is the whole system. Here's a quick test. Think about yesterday. How many of these 5 foods did you eat? If you got all 5, drop a 5 in the comments right below. I love to see it. If you got 3 or 4, drop a 3 or a 4. You're close. If you got 0 or 1, drop a 1 and pick just 1 food from this list to add starting tomorrow. Just 1. The biggest mistake people make with nutrition is trying to change everything at once. 1 change at a time sticks. 5 changes at once usually doesn't. Which 1 food are you going to start with? Drop that in the comments as well. I read every single one and try to reply. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos on the channel. We're here every week, always with science-backed, always drug-free, always something you can do today. What's changed by habit can be fixed by habit. Next week, we're going to cover 3 more balance exercises in another video that relates to falls. If your balance has gotten shaky and neuropathy does that, that video is built for you. And if you want to see how the foods connect to the overnight nerve repair piece, how your body uses what you eat during the day to repair while you sleep, that video is in our channel as well. Starts with just one thing. That's the adjustment. I'll see you in the next one.